We have a government that does not care about our future as black people. We have a government that even after 30 years has still not addressed the spatial issues as to the fact that black people were removed from lands that were good and placed on lands that are useless, and sometimes placed on lands that are toxic. Even after 30 years, we have a government that fails to transform the public systems and make them work and make the public systems user-friendly, not only for poor people but for everyone. That is why the hospitals and the schools which are public remain poor.